Welcome back to another video and welcome to our punch and natural juice series. It's been a while, guys. Welcome back. So I am going to make some Ribena wine or some Ribena juice. So one of my colleagues bring these Ribena for me, and guys, me don't know what to do with them, but I think I had an idea of how to make Ribena juice. Guys, it's simple. So first I wash them off, and then afterwards I'm going to put on some hot water. So same as how you would make your cereal, that's how I am planning to make them. Comment down below, guys, if there's a other way to make Ribena drink. I think this is the easiest way to make it. So I put on some water. So the water bubble up, you can see the small bubbles in there, and after washing I'm just going to put them into the hot water and allow them to draw, right? After having them for about 5 to 10 minutes in the hot water, I'm just going to turn the stove off, cover the pot, and allow them to sit in the water for about 24 hours. After 24 hours, I just remove the Ribenas from the water, strain and bottle in a cow's bottle. And that's how the Ribena was looking after 24 hours. And I then remove those Ribena and the strain and add to this Carl's bottle. As you can see, guys, I think this was about a week old, because I never know what I wanted to do with the Ribena. So I just sweeten it and store it in the bottle, but it ended up that it started to ferment.